everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Emma. I'm Emma, your English coach, and today we're going to talk about something super exciting: how to train your brain to think in English. Imagine speaking English smoothly without pausing to translate everything in your head. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what we're working toward today. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. Section 1. Why thinking in English matters. Now, you might be wondering, Emma, why is it so important to think in English? Can't I just translate from my native language? Here's the thing. When you rely on translating, it slows you down. You're thinking in one language, flipping it to English, and then saying it out loud. That takes time. Sometimes you might even lose your train of thought, especially in a fast conversation. But when you train your brain to think directly in English, it's like a shortcut. Your words flow faster, your confidence grows, and you start understanding English on a deeper level. Pretty cool, right? So, let's explore how to make this happen. Section 2. Start with single words. Let's kick things off with something simple: thinking in single words. Look around you right now. What do you see? Try naming everything in English. For example, I see a laptop, a cup, a notebook, a window, and, oh, a little plant over there. Go ahead, pause this video for a second and try it yourself. Say the words out loud or in your head. Whatever feels good. Done? Great. Now, what if you spot something and don't know the English word for it? Don't skip it. Instead, describe it. Say you see something that holds papers together, but the word escapes you. You could say, "It's a thing that keeps my papers neat." Guess what? You're still thinking in English, and that's the goal. Fun fact. That's a paperclip, by the way. See how easy it is to keep going? Section 3. Move to simple sentences. Once you're comfy with single words, let's level up to sentences. Think about what's happening around you right now. For me, I could say, "I'm sitting at my desk," or "I'm teaching you English." Try it yourself. What's one sentence you could say about this moment? Don't stress if it's not perfect. Maybe you're thinking, "Emma, what if I mess up my grammar?" No worries. When you're practicing alone, mistakes are totally fine. The point is to keep your brain in English mode. If you're unsure, jot the sentence down and check it later. Or ask me in the comments. Let's try another one. How about, "The light is coming through my window," or "My coffee is getting cold." See? Simple but effective. Section 4. Talk about plans and past. Now, let's stretch a bit further. What about your plans for later today? You can use phrases like, "I'm going to," or "I will." For example, I might say, "I'm going to record another video," or "I will relax with a book tonight." How would you describe your plans? Maybe, "I'm going to make lunch," or "I will call a friend." Awesome! And here's a bonus. Think about your morning too. I could say, "This morning I drank tea and planned this video." What did you do earlier? Something like, "I ate breakfast," or "I walked outside." Mixing past and future like this helps your brain get flexible with English. Section 5. Boost your word memory. But wait, Emma, what if I keep forgetting words? That's so common, and I've got you covered. One trick is to use new words in sentences right after you learn them. Say you learn sunny. Try, "It's sunny outside." Another tip? Review your words often. I love using flashcards or apps before bed. It's like a little brain game. How do you usually save new words? A notebook? Your phone? Whatever works, just make sure to revisit them. And here's a fun one. Say the words to yourself or even your pet. I sometimes tell my cat, "You're so fluffy today." It feels silly, but it sticks. Section 6. Practice conversations alone. Speaking of talking to yourself, that's a goldmine for practice. It might feel odd at first, but it's super helpful. Try saying things like, "I'm making tea now," or pretend you're chatting with a friend. "Hey, how's your day going?" Answer yourself too. You can even play out scenarios. Imagine you're at a shop. "Excuse me, where's the sugar?" Or traveling. "How do I find the bus stop?" These little rehearsals make real conversations way easier. What's a situation you could practice right now? Maybe ordering food or asking for help? Give it a go. Section 7. Describe your day. Here's another fun exercise. Describe your whole day in English. Let me try. This morning I woke up, had some toast, and went for a quick walk. Now I'm here with you, and later I'll cook pasta and watch a show. Your turn. Start from when you woke up and go all the way to tonight. If a word slips your mind, describe it instead. Like, if you don't know blanket, say, "It's the warm thing on my bed." This keeps your brain buzzing in English. You can even plan tomorrow morning. I'm going to wake up early and study. How does that feel? Section 8. Express thoughts and feelings. Let's get deeper. How about your thoughts or emotions? Right now, I could say, "I'm happy to be teaching you," or "I'm curious if you're enjoying this." What about you? Maybe, "I'm excited to learn English," or "I'm a bit tired but motivated." Describing feelings builds your skills for real chats. And don't worry about slip-ups. They're part of growing. Over time, this gets smoother. How are you feeling about this lesson so far? Section 9. How long does it take? One question I hear a lot is, "Emma, how long until I think in English effortlessly?" Great news. It depends on you. The more you practice, the faster it clicks. For some, it's a few months. For others, a bit longer. Even 5 minutes a day, naming objects, making sentences, adds up. Start small and build up. Maybe today you try words, tomorrow sentences, then little talks with yourself. How often can you sneak this into your routine? Every bit counts. There you have it, friends, your guide to thinking in English. Start with words, move to sentences, play with scenarios, and watch your brain transform. I'm so proud of you for being here, learning with me. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. If you liked this video, please hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you want to learn next. Thanks for joining me on Learn English with Emma. See you in the next one.